Hi, my name is Manuela. Welcome to Koh Lanta. Quelle est la première langue que vous apprenez au Canada?
On parle le français au Québec. Are you ready, Jade?
Yes, let's go find the secret beach.
Seriously? Thank you. We just found a place called a secret beach. We're gonna go search for that.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, slipping bright nights, getting me
Okay,
high
it may
on
not be as
highs.
secret as it said.
It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can wait.
Welcome to the secret beach. It's a very short crescent. There's about maybe 20% all over this beach here. It's very quiet. We're not gonna stay long here. We just want to see what it looks like. Where are we heading next, Jade?
To Klong Nin Beach, which is just between the pier and the long beach we were yesterday. And it's a beach with lots of restaurants and bars just on the side of the beach.
We'll take a long walk till we start to freeze. Hearing small talk over the summer breeze. Out of safe
Welcome to the second beach. I already forgot the name, but I'll put it down in the description. Klong Nin.
It's a night to
Very
stay
charming
up
restaurant,
late. Things we have to do can wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you.
It's time to leave that beautiful restaurant right there. It was so hard to leave with the fresh wind of the breeze, and look who's already in the water. Guys, take a look on this beach right there. I can bet you easily $100 that if I count each of the tourists here, there's no more than 100% on this whole beach. Could
No
it
more
be,
than
Jade?
50. I think it's less than 50. I count from here and I count maybe like 20 total.
Wow. I never expect that there are still beaches in Thailand that are, less crowded and still authentic.
Also absolutely beautiful there. Like the sand is just so soft and the water is so calm. Like it's absolutely beautiful, guys.
Since I missed this morning workout, I'll have to do it on the beach, unfortunately. There's no
Or
complaint.
fortunately.
Here's the workout, guys. I got this on Men's Health magazine. It's a body weight workout. So it's 300 crunches, 300 squats, and 200 push-ups. You have to accomplish all these exercises as fast as you can. Oh boy, 270, 30 more to go. It's really hot. Alright, 300 done. Now we're jumping to the push-ups. About an hour ago, exactly where I'm standing right now, I had water until near my knees. I found two. Jade, you know what could be really cool?
I
Yeah, we're gonna do a
Do
time.
not poke me in the face with your elbow. That would be really cool.
Yeah, what would be really cool is we get that awesome time lapse with the sunset and the beautiful art that you just did. How about
I
that?
spent all afternoon doing it, okay? It took a lot of time.
Yeah, she was like a kid, you know, like looking down in the water for hours.
He was working out, so I was bored. But this beach is so beautiful. You just want to do island stuff.
Yeah, I
So
wonder,
bohemian.
you know, if we have this in Montreal, would you travel?
No,
Yeah,
I
we
would
just.
live here.
Yeah.
That's my favorite island. My favorite stop in Thailand so far.
Yeah,
I really
the
love
vibe
it.
here, people are so nice. It reminds me of Bali, the Philippines.
Yeah, definitely.
But you know, the honest people that hasn't been abused by, you know, over tourists and stuff like this, you know. Thank you. We just packed our stuff. Now we're heading back to our room, change, wash, and go eat. We just took a shower and changed. We're ready now.
I have my night motorbike goggles on.
Yeah,
We're
she's
ready
so cute.
to go find some food
Yeah.
and do some last minute Thailand shopping because it's our last evening that we have the bike. So we'll take you guys to some street food on the walking street in Salandan Pier.
Yeah, I won't do any B-roll because it's very dark outside, but we see you guys over there. Okay guys, we just arrived. I'm still on my bike and Jade has already run towards the next shop.
I got one sarong with elephant in blue because I have a lot of pink and red. We got you this camisole with the tigers that looks so cool.
Thank you.
And then I have a pair of pants also blue with elephant because I have all the other colors. I wanted the blue one.
Okay, we found a super good place to eat, but first, let's grab a beer. Hey, that's mine. The 7-Eleven in Thailand is like your best friend. You can find anything in these. You can find SIM card, medication, like anything that a pharmacy would have.
They have snacks.
Yeah, and they have buns, all kinds of food. Yeah, and we're gonna get killed. One good advice, if you guys come here, come early.
Open at 5.
Yeah, and you know, those lady who cooked here, they cook just the right amount for the day. So after that, there's no more, there's no more.
Yeah, once they're done, they leave. This is my favorite stand. You can get one plate for 50 baht, and you have all those choices, and you choose whatever you want.
I love this place. They play like old-fashioned music that my dad used to listen every Sunday. It feels so good.
You hurt me, and you made me cry. But if you leave me, I will surely die. Darling, there will never be another, because I love you so. Don't ever leave me, say you'll never go. I will always want you for my sweetheart.
Different type of curry. This with chicken, and those are vegetarian. All my favorite.
At this point, I'm not anymore hungry. It is just that I'm piggy. Smells so good.
Alright guys, we're gonna let you go because we have to wake up early tomorrow for a snorkeling excursion. We took the one that was the most popular in Koh Lanta, and we hope you enjoy it. If you like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave us a comment. It's free for you guys, but it's gonna help us tons onto growing and paying your bills. We love you very, very much. See you tomorrow.